Wide compatibility, suitable for all devices with USB Type-C port. Other ports not supported. Compatible with most phone models such as Samsung Galaxy A20, A21, A01, S9 Plus, S20 Plus, S21, S21 Plus, S22 Fold/S10 5G/S10 Plus S10/S10e S9 Plus S9/S8 S8 Plus Note 8 Note 9. Google Nexus 5X/6P/Pixel XL. LG V60, V50, V40, V35, V20 Moto G7, G8 Google Pixel 4, OnePlus 2 3 Lumia 950 950 XL, LG G5, Lenovo Zook Z1, Huawei IP9, new Nokia N1 tablet, Google Pixel 3 XL 3 2 XL 2, HTC U12 Plus U11 Plus U11 U10. 6T/6/5T/5, MacBook Pro MacBook, etc. Ultra thin design. Sticking part of the USB-C plug cover is only 0.4mm thick, which will not affect the overall appearance after installing the phone case. Not recommended for use on phones without a case. Easy to use, just align the port and press it down. Stick the adhesive tape on the back of phone. Made of silicone, durable, tight seal. Please check your phone or tablet charging port. Uses strong 3M tape and sticks to the back of the phone. Do not need to worry about losing it when you take it out for charging. 3.5mm earphone plugs. They could be used as anti-dust plugs for 3.5mm earphone jack of Type-C smartphones, but also used as a SIM card tray eject pin for replacing SIM card. Protect from liquid, sand, dust, grime, pocket lint and more without a bulky case. It's never been easier to quickly and effectively protect the ports of your favorite smart devices. Packing list: 10x USB Type-C anti-lost anti-dust plug, white/black, 10x 3.5mm headphone plugs, 1x mini cleaning brush. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Wide compatibility, suitable for all devices with USB Type-C port, other ports not supported. Compatible with most phone models.